Alright guys, so the craziest thing just happened. That lady that works at the Champs dipped out of work, so now I can buy more pairs. So let's go get more pairs. Yes sir.
Yo, what's good everybody? I'm back and I'm better with another video. Today we're gonna do another day of sourcing. So it's been a long, like 3 weeks. I haven't really recorded any YouTube videos. I had an idea, which I'm gonna continue it, but that day I was making the video, I did have some personal issues come up, and so I wasn't really in the mood to really record and do everything I had to do. So I'm gonna play the clip for you guys to see what was the idea, and from there we'll probably continue the idea, or we're gonna just scratch it off and restart over with a different type of idea. So play the clip real quick.
Today we're gonna do flip my stimulus challenge. So $600, we're gonna see how much we can turn it into at a sneaker event. And I'm already here. You see this car right here, the luxury, the Don Luxury Goods. If that car is here, there's no deals because he's already taken all of them. He's outworking us, but we're here, ready to go.
Other than that, let's get through the day and go source real quick. Damn, my shit's about to die right now. That's crazy. But I'm gonna record on my phone. Let's go to this pawn shop real quick right here.
Of course, when we walk in, first thing we find is some mids, LOL. And then phone posits for 90 has box, so that's a great deal, but not really great for me. 90 bucks also for these. I'm gonna try to see negotiate, cause look, on these I can't really do anything with these mids, but with these phone posits, if I can get them for 72 plus tax, that's I could sell for a pretty penny. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get them for a deal. They're in like 9 out of 10 conditions, so I'm good. So then I walked in, and we seen more shoes that they had in the back. 70 bucks for these is really great deal, but it's too much work and they could end up being fake. I didn't have the time to waste to legit check something that wasn't profitable. Looking through the shoe wall, I don't really see anything crazy. Like these were worth a little bit. I've been selling them here and there, brand new pairs for over 100. So other than that, nothing. Boom. And then we find these cool grays for really cheap. These are 60 bucks, but I'm gonna try to negotiate on these also. I'm just waiting to see what else I might be able to find. Bro, these are super clean though for 60 bucks. I love these cool gray 11s. They've been selling really great for me. So other than that, I really didn't find anything. So all those pairs I'm gonna try to negotiate. All this is just basic junk. Alright guys, so I didn't know if it was gonna happen, but the lady just gave me the phone posits for 72 plus tax. These other ones 72 plus tax. And then I got these for $48 instead of the 60 plus tax. And I also got these for $29. These look like Travis Scott shoes, and they will sell for about like 60 bucks. So I'm only buying them for 29 plus tax, selling them for 60. So double my money on these. I know I can make close to 120, whatever. On these, my goal is to make at least like $40 per shoe. So we're close to about just 100 bucks from the store, maybe 120, 150. Now let's go to a different store, see what we can get. Rolled into the second pawn shop, seeing these Bordeaux 7s. I always sell them for over 100, so I had to check them out first. Size 9.5 for $44. That's a great steal, and these will sell for over 100 most definitely, for sure. And then I seen something else that caught my eye for 17 bucks on clearance. These Jordan 4s, even though they're not really super popular or like a good colorway, I think we can turn that $17 into like 30 bucks hopefully, or 40 bucks. That's the goal. I'm not really trying to make a lot of money off of it, just a little bit of profit. And then we found these 4s, but you guys gonna find out what happened to them. Crazy story, bro. But 70 bucks if they were good. It's not a bad deal. If we can probably negotiate it down to like 50 bucks or 60 bucks. And then we found a kid size for $35. You just seen that. And then I seen these Poison 5, super clean, legit, for 60 bucks, super clean. But the thing is, they don't really sell for as much as I would like them to. So we'll probably have to come back maybe next month, negotiate the price down. I think these just came out. So if we can come back next month, negotiate on the price, probably get them for 50 out the door and sell them for 100 shipped, which leaves us with like 90 bucks. So that's like $35-$40 profit. But we're going to pick up all these except the size 9.5, because that shit is fugazi, fake as hell. So I had to put that back. Pulling up to my favorite retail store in America, DTLR. Let's go in there and see what kind of Jordans they got in there, you feel me? So just walked in, Let's see, the men's section, all they had was a bunch of bricks, really nothing crazy that I would resell. I don't have the capital to hold on to any of these, so I passed, and all the good sizes are also gone. Went to the women's section. There's always some heat in here, like these right here that I'm gonna pick up. These, oh man, these are doing great numbers, and they will probably do even greater numbers pretty soon, but I feel like I'm kind of a little bit bored of mids and lows, so I don't want to pick any of these, especially the dark color mids. I hate those. Now let's go somewhere else and see what else we can find.
If you guys live in Dallas and you know this place right here, this is Red Bird Mall. This is the deadest mall in Dallas. But look, there's a Foot Locker, a Foot Action, and a Champs. And all those companies are owned by Foot Locker. They're in this one big building. And they're like really big. It goes all the way down there. If you guys can see. So I'm about to go in here, see what we can find. Probably nothing, but it's part of my routine. And then there's a mall behind, like in that building, there's a mall in there. There's there's a Jimmy Jazz, a Hibbits, and another store in there. We're gonna go check that out, but let's first go through here. It's part of my routine. I know we're not gonna find anything, but let's see.
So I'm at the Champs. I seen these twist blue mids. Nothing really crazy that I'm looking for at the moment. They had a bunch of breaks, especially these for $29.99. I was gonna pick them up, but it was a mismatch, so it was sad and paining. Also went to the kids section, found these purple mids. They're selling for like $130, $140 right now on StockX, and they're only $100 in store. So great flip, but only one per customer because of that lady. Went to Foot Locker, seen these royal mids. Other than that,
picked up 2 of the royal mids and 1 pair of those. So we're gonna go down there, go inside the mall, see what we can find. Now I don't have that many pairs, that's why I picked up a few pairs of the royal mids. Even though they're bricks, they're not really gonna go up, but I do need a few pairs of those. This is easy money right here. Let's go to over there.
Alright guys, so the craziest thing just happened. That lady that works at the Champs dipped out of work, so now I can buy more pairs. So let's go get more pairs. Yes sir.
oh my god guys, you won't believe it, but I got the size 7. Yes sir, the last pair that was available. And I did see somebody else who was trying to get them, but I got to them before they got there. So happy. Now let's go get some deals.
Stop by my favorite pawn. We got these for $60 plus tax, and then I'm not gonna show you guys the name of it. He was asking that price, but he sold it to me for $80 plus tax, which is good for me. I make probably like $30 off this, 35 off this. I paid 65, so 65 plus tax. No, 65 out the door with tax. So if I put it for 100 out on eBay, it will sell. And then this one, we bought it for $80. This is a steal right here. We can easily sell for $150. No star loss. Let's go, baby.
I swear to God, bro, there was a kid. Just look. You see this kid right here? Alright, this nigga just sold me these for $50. He was just walking into the pawn shop, and I just honked my horn. Paid $50. Let's go. I just made another $50 off his ass. Let's go. I swear to God, on my life, I swear to God, I just got it right now. He was walking in, I just honked my horn. Thank you, God. Let's go. Yes, sir. 10.5. Alright, guys, so it's only like 5 o'clock. I went out the house, I think, at 1 or 2 o'clock. So we've been out here for like 3 to 4 hours. And I already made over $200, $300 in profit. So I'm outside this Exxon in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the highway, whatever. And we're waiting for the guy to come so we can do the meetup. I'm gonna eat. Imagine if it was that guy, but I'm gonna wait for him. I'm gonna eat, and then it is what it is. He'll be here in about like 20 minutes. Picking these up, $60, and then $60 for the quartz, and then $70 for these. I'm pretty cool with that. And then got some 4s right here. I think I paid him, said 70 on. Can you do 60 on these? I didn't see the condition on it. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, cool. Everything else is straight. And then last pair, we got it. Oh shit. Last pair, white cements. Alright, what did I tell you on these? I forgot. Bill. Okay, cool. That's straight. So I'm gonna do the math and pay him real quick.
$350 cash. Hey, right there. There you go. Appreciate that.
Alright guys, we're in the suburbs. The homie forgot to bring like a few pairs. It was Bretto, some 11s and stuff like that. So I'm about to meet him by his house and get those items too. So I looked at market already and we're gonna negotiate on the price real quick, and I'm gonna buy the shoes. So let's get to the house. Let's go.
Alright y'all, so the homie just brought out these right here and some pure monies. I'll pick them up for 60. I'm thinking about 60, but when he gets here we'll probably negotiate. He will bring in 2 more shoes and we'll get that transaction done with. Alright, so we got gym reds, those 2, and then Brettos. Alright, so what are you thinking on each of them? Pure monies, all that. What do you think?
Something you bro, shoot me something.
I'm thinking like 2 on these.
Ooh. The Brentos, those are the only ones I'm stiff on them.
Well, what's your ticket? What's your ticket?
I was thinking the 250 probably.
I'll think about it. Let's probably do the 250. And then how about these? I'm not gonna record you. I'm just recording.
Oh no,
shoes.
you good? Whatever you.
A bill?
Offer. Huh?
A bill?
A bill? We can do a bill 20.
That's good. I'm thinking 60 on these, just cause no box.
Yeah, I ain't got no box here. That's solid.
And then what about these? You blessed me because I bought all of your shit. 60?
60.
Yeah.
We can do 80 or
70 right
70.
now. Yeah, just gotta clean them because it has hella stains and shit. That's right.
Yeah, we can do 70.
All right, cool. Let me do the math and pay y'all. All right, y'all. So 500 for all. I think it's 5 pairs, right? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4 pairs. $500 for 4 pairs. Let's go.
So guys, we bought all these shoes right here. This cost me close to $1,400 after tax and everything, right? All these shoes I'm going to show you guys right here. Boom. These are the used pairs. The brand new stuff are not part of the calculations because these are going to be long term, sitting in the shelves, holding on their value, stuff like that. This is wealth preservation. Even though I'm not making a lot of money onto them, I'd rather put my money into these instead of putting it in a bank where it's not earning that much interest. So let's get to the calculation. So in total, this is what the shoes cost me. This is what I'm gonna sell for, hypothetically, and prices wise. For example, I put on the sheet that I would sell that for 100. I paid 60 bucks, right? I know I could sell it for a little bit more, but I just said 100 bucks. Like these 2 right here, if I bundle them up together, I can get 300 bucks. You feel me? So like these, I put them up for 120 on the sheet, but I know I could sell for 150. It's just I'm not taxing, and I want to do simple math for you guys. So the price wise is and stuff like that, I didn't really tax on the shoes. So if we make it for simple numbers, I paid $1,500 for all these shoes, the used pairs, and I would be able to sell them for about $2,500, right? That's close to $1,000 in profit. We spent 30 bucks on gas. No, actually like 15 bucks on gas to go to those places. Then we're gonna spend the rest of the money, which is close to $85, or nah, it would actually be like, yeah, it would be $85, right? So we spend the $85 actually hiring somebody to clean them, take pictures, and list them. Then we clear 90 bucks for 5 hours of work, $900 for 5 hours of work, right? That's what I want you guys to start thinking of. Is try to preserve your time and pay people to do shit for you once you get to a certain level, because you can't do it all. And that's what I have been trying to learn in 2021, and that's trying to hire shit out. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this little content video. I hope it provided some value, you feel me? That's my goal with this videos. It's never to flex or say, hey, look at me making money. This is just a regular ass Tuesday for me, and I want to show you guys what my life looks like. Once we get to a certain level where we're making actual good money off YouTube, then I will probably hire somebody to take over, and photographer and stuff like that. We'll do better content videos. Just now I'm focusing on running my business, so I can't really do a lot of things. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys for watching for sure. I don't know how the hell I got all this energy, but I was just on TikTok live talking with you guys for sure. I appreciate you guys for chatting with me. Other than that, have a great day. I'm about to go home, close this shit up. Let's go. Ciao. Thank you so much for watching. Adios.